27. Ang score po ng ating mga primaries is 14.
Balik, balik.
10 minutes. Christian. Ipinasa kay Jordan. Christian again. Oh, nakuha na siya. Sean. Sean is dribbling the ball. Sean! Sean! Oh! Hindi nakuha.
Hindi pinagbigyan highlights ng knockdown.
Christian.
Bigyan ng highlights.
Christian. Dunstan. Nasa kay Dunstan. Dunstan is dribbling the ball. Dunstan is dribbling the ball. Sumalaksak. Oh! Pinasa kay Sherwin. Jordan, pinasok na wala. Nakuha ni number. Shot up. Nabitawan ni CJ. Sherwin. Sherwin. Christian. Christian is dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Dunstan. 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 Pumasok si Dunstan. Oh! Oh! Pinasa kay Sherwin. Wala. Hindi pumasok. Number 6. Number 6. Dribbling the ball. Wala. Hindi pumasok. Christian. Christian for 3 points. Christian. Oops. Sulaksak. For 2 points. Wala. Wala. Hindi pumasok si Jordan for 2 points. In. Counted. Score ng Golden. 16-27. Second quarter. Free throw for Jordan, by Jordan. For 1 point. Whoop! Hindi pumasok. Nakuha ni Stephen. Nakuha ni Stephen Curry. Pinasa kay CJ. CJ, sumalaksak. CJ, pinasa kay Alan! For 2 points. No, hindi pumasok. Hindi rin pumasok. Oh! 2 points for Harvester. Dunstan. Dunstan is dribbling the ball. Dunstan. Jordan, pinasok for 2 points. Wala. Hindi nakuha. Alan, ipinasa. Kay Sean. Hindi nakuha ni Dunstan. Hindi nakuha ni Dunstan. Stephen is dribbling the ball. Stephen, pinasa kay nakuha ni Coach Sherwin. Sherwin is dribbling the ball. Sherwin! For the Stephen. Christian is dribbling the ball. Christian. Hanap ng kasama. Pinasa kay Coach Sherwin for 3! Wala. Hindi pumasok ang 3 points.
2 points lang yun.
Simple. Ball ng Harvester. Dunstan, pinasa kay Jordan. Jordan, pinasa kay Tristan for 2 points. Wala. Alan is dribbling. Pinasa kay Stephen, pinasa kay CJ. Wala, nabitawan ang bola. Bola ng Golden. 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Dunstan dribbling the ball. Jordan. Sean. Dunstan. Pinasa kay Sherwin for 3 points. Wala. Christian nakuha. Binalik. Kay Amil. Kay Sherwin. Nabinap na kasama for 2 points. Shoot. 9 ball. Score ng Harvester is Sub po ang Harvester. Out si Sean. In Jumel. Score ng Harvester 29. Score ng Golden 20. Ay, Amil. Si Pambola. Step back. Nakoy. Lumabas. Lumabas ang bola. Bola ng Golden. Jordan. O Sherwin, pinasa kay Jordan. Jordan si Dunstan. 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 Dinilib yung bola. Dunstan. Nangarap ng kasama. Christian. Christian, pinasa kay Abil. Abil. Abil to. Abil. 3 seconds. CJ. CJ is dribbling the ball. CJ. CJ is dribbling the ball. CJ for 3 points. Wala. Oh, pinabal. Basa. Stephen ang pwede. Stephen. Nabatukan. Okay. Ready, Jen, for 2 points. Jordan, 5 minutes. Remaining time. Time out for Harvest. Anong oras?
Score 29-20. Over the backcourt. Ito
To
na
the
talaga.
ball game. Ang score po ng Harvester is 29. Ang score po ng Golden, 20. 5 minutes remaining. Remaining time. Kuya Jun, ball ng Harvester. Jomar, pinat to Kuya Jun. Kuya Jun. Kuya Jun to Jomar. Jomar to Kuya Jun. Kuya Jun to Lester. For 3 points, wala. Christian. Christian is dribbling the ball. Christian. Christian. Christian! For 2 points! Pasok! Kuya Jun. Kuya Jun. Is dribbling the ball. Kuya Jun. Kuya Jun is dribbling the ball. Kuya Jun, up! Nakuha ng Golden. Amil for 2 points! Kuya Jun is dribbling the ball. Kuya Jun. Kuya Jun. Kuya Jun. Hanap ng kasama. Jomel. Jomel to Jomel for 3 points! Wala. Hindi pumasok. Dunstan. 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 Dunstan is dribbling the ball. Dunstan to up number 18. Up number Amin. Shot for 2 points. Kuya Jun is dribbling the ball. Kuya Jun. Kuya Jun is dribbling the ball. Kuya Jun. Pumasa kay Lester. Pumasa kay Joma. For 2 points. Wala. Lester. Kapag ni Lester for 2 points. Wala pa din. Number Jumel. Wala pa din. Jumel. Jumel. Oh. Oh. Jumel for 2 points. Wala. 3 seconds violation. Violation. Score 29-26. 3 minutes and 15 seconds left. Coach Ricky to Amil. Amil, wala. For 2 points. Kuya Jun. Ako yung Kuya Jun. Kuya Jun. Kuya Jun is dribbling the ball. Kuya Jun. Kuya Jun. Pinasa kay Lester for 2 points. Pasok. 2 points for Golden. Amil. 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 Pinasa kay Christian. Christian. Dribbling the ball for 3 points. Wala. Hindi pumasok, lumabas. Jomel. Jomel is dribbling the ball. Kuya Jun. Kuya Jun. Nakuha. Nakuha ni Dunstan. 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 To number 18. Amil. Amil. Up. Foul by father. Time. Time. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Score, number 18. Pinasa kay Amil. Amil, isinot na 2 points. Wala. Wala, nakuha ni Father. Kuya Jun. Jomel. Jomel. Jomel, stream sumalaksak for 2 points. Pasok! Coach Ricky. To call. Call. Cole is dribbling the ball. Cole, Coach Ricky. Coach Rico for 2 points. Pasok. Kuya Jun, pinasa. Pinasa kay Jomar for 2 points. Wala, lumabas. Father. Coach Jomar. Pasok for 2 points. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Cole, serving the ball. Amil. Pinasa kay Cole. Cole for 3 points. Lumabas. Jomel. Lester for 2 points. Shot! Dunstan and 1 minute and 25 seconds. Up! To shoot. Ricky for 2 points. Wala. Kuya Jun is dribbling the ball. Kuya Jun for 2 points. Wala. Another 2 points. Pasok. That time, pinasa kay number 18. Last 50 seconds. Coach Rico for 2 points. Pasok. Lester is dribbling the ball. Lester, pinasa kay Kuya Jun. Pinasa kay Jomar for 2 points. Wala kay Jomar again. Lester for 2 points. Wala. Dunstan is dribbling 30 seconds. Remaining are Father is dribbling the ball. Jumel for 2 points. Jumel, pinasa kay okay. Amin. 18 seconds. For 2 points. 10 seconds.
Ganda ng highlights, coach.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the second game. Second quarter. Ang score po natin for Harvester, 39. Ang score po ng Golden, 32. Okay, back to the ball game. Start na po ng ating third quarter. Lamang po ang ating Harvester, 39-32. 7 points. 39-32. Bola daw po ng Harvest. Start na. Jordan to Christian. For 3 points! Pasok! Point 2. Cesar pinasa. Labas ang bola. Bola ng Golden. Up. Nakuha ni Cesar for Fernandez for 2 points. Shoot. Christian is dribbling the ball. Christian to Cole to Jillian to shoot. Wala. Ronnie J, pinasa kay Junel to Fernandez. Up! So, lumabas ang bola. Masyadong malakas. Jillian to Cole. Pinasa kay Cole. Binalik kay Cole. To Jillian to pasok number. Lumabas. Number Eliver to Fernandez. minutes and 30 seconds. Cesar. Pinasa kay Cesar. Cesar to Cesar. Dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Jumel. Pinasa sa referee. Wala. Bola ng Golden. Jordan. 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 Jordan to Cole. Cole to Christian. For 3 ball. For 3 balls. Wala. Wala. Hindi pumasok. Jonel. Jonel to Fernandez. Fernandez for 2 points. Pasok. Cole. Cole. Distribute the ball. Oh! Kaagaw ni Fernandez. Fernandez for 2 points. Wala. Ronnie J. Fernandez ulit. Fernandez ulit. Wow! For 2 points. Cole. Naganap ng kasama. Cole to Christian. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Christian. Christian. Dribbling the ball. Sub. Jordan. Jordan. Jillian for 2 points. Pasok. Fernandez. Oh! Masyadong malakas ang pasa. Sub. Sub po. Out call. In Dunstan. Ang our score natin is 7 minutes and 12 seconds. Dunstan. Dunstan is dribbling the ball. Dunstan to Jillian. Oh! Nabitawan ni Jillian. Bola. Bola na Forrester. Fernandez. Fernandez is dribbling the ball. Fernandez to CJ. CJ to Ronnie. 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 Oh! Nakuha ni Dunstan. Dunstan is dribbling the ball. Dunstan pinasa kay Jillian. Wala. Coach Ricky. Coach Ricky. Nakuha ni CJ. CJ is dribbling the ball. CJ. Oh! Fernandez for 2 points. Wala. Nagagawa. Kuya Sherwin. Nakuha ang bola. Kuya Sherwin. Jordan. Jordan up. Jordan. Dunstan. Dunstan to Jordan. Oh! Jordan. Coach Ricky. Coach Ricky for 2 points. Wala. Naga ulit. Ronnie. Ronnie to CJ. CJ for 2 points. Wala. Oh! Traveling. Kuya Sherwin. Kuya Sherwin is dribbling the ball. 6 minutes ang ating remaining time. Jillian. Jillian. Wala. Ronnie. Ronnie is dribbling the ball. Ronnie. Ronnie, pinasa kay Fernandez. 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 Fernandez to Ronnie. Ronnie for 2 points. Shoot. 2 points. Pinasa kay Coach Ricky. Coach Ricky to Jordan for 2 points. Wala. Sobra. Wala. CJ. CJ is dribbling the ball. CJ. CJ. CJ is dribbling the ball. CJ. CJ to Fernandez. Fernandez for 3 points. Pasok! Dunstan. Dunstan is dribbling the ball. Dunstan. Dunstan. Pinasa kay Jordan for 2 points. Wala. Jonel. Oh! Jonel. CJ. Ronnie. 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 Oh!
Coach.
Time out. Time out ball. Remaining time. 5 minutes.
Coach. Basag highlights yun.
Sub.
Sushoot na lang
Sub.
eh. Hindi nang pasa eh.
Sub lahat. Pasok. Back to the ball game.
Tutok na tutok. Highlights natin siya.
Remaining time. 4 minutes and 59 seconds.
10 points now. 8.
Dunstan. Dunstan is dribbling the ball. Dunstan. Pinasa kay question. Oh! Nakagaw ni Stephen. 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 He's dribbling the ball for 2 points. Wala. Sean. For 2 points. Wala. Nakagaw. Dunstan. 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 Dunstan to Jillian. Jillian for 2 points. Pasok. Lester. Lester si Stephen. For 2 points. Pasok. Jillian. Jillian is dribbling the ball. Dunstan. Dunstan. Dunstan dribbling the ball. Dunstan. Dunstan to Sherwin. Sherwin for 2 points! Wala. Oh, nakuha ni Alan. Alan is dribbling the ball. Sean for 2 points. Wala, pinasa kay Lester. Lester, wala. Natapalan.
Apay si kanilang kanilang.
Score 52-39 in favor of Harvester. Whoop! Alan for 2 points! Pasok! Jordan is dribbling the ball. Jordan! Sumobra! Nakuha ni Jillian for 2 points! Pasok! Stephen is dribbling the ball. Stephen to Sean for 3 points! Wala, bitin. Dunstan. Up! Wala ng Harvester. Stephen ang nakakasama. Whoop! Sean for 3 points. Whoop! 3 seconds violation. Dunstan yung pinasa kay Jordan. Naganap ng kasama, pinasa kay Dunstan. Dunstan to Coach Ricky for 2 points! Wala. Hindi pumasok. Jumel is dribbling the ball. Jumel for 2 points! Up! Natapalan. Whoop! Jumel! Sean! Nakuha ang bola. Jordan! Natapalan. Two minutes and 30 seconds. Dunstan. Pinasa kay Jillian for 2 points. Wala. Dunstan ulit. Coach Ricky for 2 points. Wala pa din. Lester pinasa kay Sean for 2 points. Pasok. Jordan pinasa kay Sherwin. Stop po ang golden. Stop Coach Ricky. Amin, in. Stephen is reading the ball. Pinasa kay Amin. Up! One minute and 50 seconds remaining time. Lester, pinasa kay Stephen, bola ng kabila, ilabas ng ball. Dunstan, Jillian to Dunstan is dribbling the ball. Dunstan to Jillian for 2, wala. Chris Jordan, Dunstan for 2 points. Pasok. Naman ka Sherwin. 1 minute and 10 seconds for remaining time. Bola ng Harvester. Stephen to Jumel for 2 points. Wala. Stephen pinasa kay Lester. Nabitawan. Kinuha ng Kuya Sherwin. Nadapalan by Sean. Sub. Jillian out. Number 18 in. Dunstan to Amil for 2 points up. Natapalan. Bola ng Golden. Dunstan to Jordan to Amil, nabitawan ng bola. Amil again. To Dunstan for 2 points. Wala. Nakuha ni Jamel. 25 seconds. Oh! Wala. Lumabas ang bola. Last 15 seconds. Last. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of third quarter. Score for Harvester 56-43 in favor of Harvester. 13-point lead by Harvester. Stop time daw po ang game na ito for fourth quarter. Stop time. 10 minutes. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Bola ng Harvester. Kay June. Jomar to June. Kuya June. Kuya June is dribbling the ball. To Ronnie. Ronnie na ba nagalap ng kasama? Up! Natapalan! Jordan! Pinabol ang bola! Jordan! Dribbling the ball for 2 points! Wala! Hindi pumasok. Out! Ang bola. Jomar to Kuya June. Kuya June is dribbling the ball. Kuya June to Jomar to Ronnie for 2 points! Pasok! Jordan to Danstan is dribbling the ball to Amil to Danstan. Oh! Hindi nakuha. Danstan to Jordan to Bishop is for 2 points! Pasok! Kuya June is dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay number 9. Pasok. Danstan. Up!
Grabe.
Foul. Kay Faber. Danstan. Bishop to Danstan. Danstan, pinasa kay Jordan. Itinuha ko ang bola. Kuya June. Naganap ng kasama, Kuya June. Kuya June is dribbling the ball. Kuya June! Nabangga. 3 seconds. Remaining time, 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Danstan to Bishop to Danstan. Danstan is dribbling the ball. Danstan to Bishop for 3 points! Wala. Kuya June. Nakuha ni Kuya June. Kuya June is dribbling the ball. Kuya June for 2 points. Oh, pinasa kay Ronnie. Naganap ng kasama. Kuya Ronnie to Jomar for 2 points. Wala. Nakuha ni Danstan to Christian will drill the ball. Up. Abil for 2 points. Pasok. Jomar to Father dribbling the ball. Father up. Kuya June for 2 points. Pasok. Danstan dribbling the ball. Danstan to Bishop for 3 points. Pasok. Father to Kuya June is dribbling the ball. Kuya June up. Kuya June for 2 points. Wala, lumabas. Up, nakuha ni Danstan dribble ang bola. Christian, Camille, up. Foul by Father. 7 minutes and 4 seconds. Score 60-50 in favor of Harvester. Amil for 2 points. Pasok. Father pinasa kay Ronnie. Ronnie is dribbling the ball. Ronnie to Jomar. Ronnie for 2 points. Wala. Jordan to Dunstan to Bishop for 3 points. Wala. Kuya Jun, nakuha ni Kuya Jun. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Nakuha ni Jordan is dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Bishop to Amil for 2 points. Wala. Nakuha ni Father is dribbling. Ronnie for 3 points. Wala. 2 points lang pala yun. Sorry. Christian ball! Nabitawan. Time out ang Harvester. 6 minutes and 4 seconds. Time out na po ang Golden. 7. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 4 seconds. Score, Harvester, 60-52. 60-52 in favor of Harvester. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Fernandez is dribbling the ball. Fernandez to Jumel to Junel. Ah! 2 points! Bishop to Jordan is dribbling the ball. Jordan to Coach Ricky for 2 points! Wala, lumabas. 88 is dribbling the ball. Cesar for 2 points! Pasok! Bishop is dribbling the ball. Bishop to Christian to Jordan for 3 points! Wala, bitin. Cesar to Fernandez for 2 points! Pasok! Bishop to Christian is dribbling the ball. Christian to Laksak. Christian to Bishop is dribbling the ball. Bishop was to Laksak for 2 points! Pasok! Fernandez for 2 points! Pasok! Time, 4 minutes and 37 seconds. Coach Ricky, Jordan to Bishop for 3 points! Wow! Pasok! 3 points! Fernandez! Pasok for 2 points! Pasok! Bishop. For remaining time, 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Amil for 2 points. Wala. Jomel is dribbling the ball. Jomel to Fernandez for Jomel for 2 points. Pasok. Score. Harvester. Score. 70-57 in favor of Harvester. Amil to Bishop to Jordan for 2 points. Wala pa din. Jomel to Cesar is dribbling the ball to CJ. Wala. Hindi nakuha. Christian to Bishop for 3 points. Wala. To coach, oh! Cesar. Cesar, nakuha ni Cesar ang bola. Fernandez for 2 points. Stop. Ang golden. Bishop. Bishop. Up. Foul.
Yung mga bata parang nagtatakbuhan ako.
Remaining time, 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Score, 70, 57 in favor of Harvester. Kuya Sherwin to Danstan. Danstan for 2 points. Wala, lumabas. Danstan again. Danstan to up. Out, lumabas. Stephen is dribbling the ball. Stephen to Sean. Sean to Cesar. Junel for 2 points. Wala. Junel again. Wala. Foul. Sub Cesar, father in.
May pade eh. Father ko na naman tanong.
Jordan dribbling the ball. Danstan to Jordan for 3 points! Wala pa din. Oh, Camille for 2 points! Pasok! Lester's dribbling the ball. Lester sumlaksak. Pinasa kay Stephen for 2 points! Pasok! Sherwin to Danstan's dribbling the ball. Danstan. Last 2 minutes. Jordan for 2 points. Wala pa din. Hindi pumasok. Jumel to Stephen. Stephen to Jumel for 2 points. Stephen. Step. 3 seconds. Violation. Where's Sherwin dribbling the ball to Jordan for 2 points. Wala pa din. Hindi pa rin pumasok. Stephen is dribbling the ball for 2 points. Wala. Kulang. Lester up.
Katwa ito dyan highlights ko dyan na rin.
Foul by Kuya Sherwin. Remaining time, 1 minute and 26 seconds. Lester for 1 point. Walk. Free throw, 1 point. Pasok. Lester for 1 point. Wala. Danstan, ipinasa kay Amil. Amil for 2 points. Pas, hindi pumasok. Amil again. Hindi pa rin pumasok. Amil, nakuha ni Amil. Amil to Coach Ricky. Ay, hindi pala. Number 8 is on. Amil. Number 18 pala yun. Sean to Stephen. Last 1 minute. Stephen for 3 points. Wala. For Sherwin. Danstan. Dribbling the ball. Danstan dribbling the ball for 2 points. Wala. Nakuha ni Jumel. Oh! Nakuha ni Jumel. Sean. Stephen for 2 points. Jumel to Sean. Sean to Stephen for 2 points. Lumabas. Ang bola kay Sherwin. Kuya Sherwin to 30 seconds. Whoop! Danstan 2 points. Stephen. 25, 20 seconds. Sean for 3 points. Lumabas. Last 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 points by Danstan. 1 second remaining.
The end.
Time is 73-65 in favor of Harvester.
Praise, praise. Maraming salamat mga kapatid.